Hello friends, it's the Stitches, back with another sewing vlog. Today I'm going to walk you through the process of making my most recent Lolita dress. Starting with the fabric, I'm totally predictable, so longtime viewers will not be surprised at all that I chose a soft pink thrifted sheet. It's honestly the cheapest way to get cotton fabric in large yardage. The fabric was kind of thin, so I put some interfacing on my bodice pieces just to give them some stability. I didn't have a ton of lace on hand and I wanted this dress to be fairly simple, so I decided to embroider a border print onto the skirt. This took exactly as long as it sounds, and it took me about 3 days to get the whole thing done. Using what lace I did have on hand, I made a very Baby the Stars Shine Bright inspired design on the bodice. I also made a matching bow and then forgot to include it with the dress the second I finished it, so you won't see that again in this video. So now it's time to assemble my JSK. The skirt is gathered to fit the bodice and then stitched down. Then I wrestled a zipper in that I had in my stash. I don't know where it came from, but this is definitely not the first dress it's been in. And then I hand stitched the lining down to secure it and keep everything looking clean. After putting this dress on my body, I quickly realized that I didn't cut my straps long enough, so I made them into a halter since I basically used every scrap of this fabric for the dress and didn't have any left over. Overall, I'm very happy with this JSK, and I'm thrilled to watch my old school Lolita wardrobe grow. That's all for today. I'll see you all next time. Bye!